Hi, Kerry here from My Cloud Bookkeeping. I'm not too sure if you've had the problem when you're reconciling your bank account and PST commission amounts appear randomly and you have no idea how you got there. Well, today I'm going to show you how to set up this PST commission so it goes to the correct account and it doesn't appear in your bank again and you don't have that problem.
Here we are in the sample company. Select Taxes on the left-hand tab. You can either scroll or use the drop-down to select PST. Now, as you can see, we have $3,500 in PST owing. If you followed through my other video, you will have been to the e-tax site to prepare the PST return for the province and now know how much you owe. So let's click into here. We're going to enter a commission of $22. Select Adjust. Now notice that the adjustment account here is defaulting to checking. It makes absolutely no sense. And I suspect it's because it's the top category in the chart of accounts. If you watched my other video, this was probably sitting here and I'm so sorry for that. If you don't change this, your bank balance is going to be incorrect and you won't be able to reconcile it. What we want to do is select something that's going to appear on the income statement. So let's have a look and see if there is anything in here for PST. PST expense, BC. Let's grab this one and we'll put in our amount of $22. And we can make a note here that this is our PST commission. And save. Now, if this agrees to what you filed on the PST site, you can choose Mark as Filed. Yes, all done. Now, you know how I love my reports. So let's have a quick look at the profit and loss and see how this shows up. So you can see here we have a line PST expense that has a negative $22. At least it's on the income statement, but not in the bank. Now, if you prefer to see this as income, you can change the account in the chart of accounts. And if you're still with me, let's do that now. So go to Accounting on the left-hand tab, select Chart of Accounts. It will be in here. Go to PST, choose our PST expense account, edit. And we can change the type here to be an other income. Where is that? Here it is, right here. What's the best one here? We'll just call it income. It's fine. And save and close. Now let's have a quick look and see what our report looks like. Here we have down here, still says PST expense. You could change the name as well, but at least it's showing up as a positive number at other income. Much tidier.
Correcting past sales tax returns is tricky. Accountants have a tool whereby they can undo previously filed sales tax returns and then refile them with amounts corrected. You have to be really careful doing that. If you'd like my help, reach out to your accountant. Other than that, perhaps you could do a journal entry to move PST commission to where it's supposed to be. There's a link to my calendar below. You can also write in the comment box if there's anything you'd like help with. If this video was useful, click like, subscribe to my channel. Also, there's my newsletter link down there below. If you get the month-end checklist, you'll be signed up and that'll let you know if there are any changes in QuickBooks, any apps I'm exploring. There could be some useful information. And if there's anything else you'd like to know about, let me know and my next video could be for you. Cheers.